happening, folks? Today I'm going fishing. Not going in one of my buddy's boats, not fishing from the bank. I got myself a feel-free lure 10 and I'm going to test this thing out today. I've never really fished from a kayak. Hell, I've not done a whole lot of kayak at all, been in one. So we're going to see how it goes. I might not do a whole lot of fishing, but I'm going to paddle around and see how I like this thing. And we'll see if we can get it all on camera. If I fall in the water, someone, one of my loved ones, maybe flinging arrows, is going to get my footage and put it on YouTube. And maybe we'll get a posthumous viral video out of me flipping a kayak and drowning. I don't know, folks. We'll see you guys. Kayak. Well, that was a fun little bit on the water. That kayak's awesome. I tell you, for a beginner to hop in one, paddle all over the place in the wind, I was able to stand up on it as stable as can be. You know, I don't have much to compare it to other than a couple crappy kayaks I've been in. It blows those out of the water. And I've had several canoes, and heck, it blows those out of the water too. I could stand up in it. My first time out on the water with it. It's awesome. You know, I don't know much about kayaks, but if I was going to recommend one to a beginner, Feel Free Lure 10 is a heck of a kayak. I enjoyed it a lot. But anyway, we're going to get back out on Tuesday. We're going to go hit up a different lake Tuesday evening. So we'll see you then.